Hey everyone, welcome to KrisDreams. Today, I'll show you how to customize my Chibi Hair Add-On using Photopea, a free Photoshop alternative. This tutorial will guide you step by step on how to change colors and create two-tone hairstyles with ease. Let's get started. First, open Photopea in your browser by going to photopea.com. Then, click Open from Computer and select the PSD file. Once opened, you'll see the Layers panel on the right, where all hairstyle folders are located. To change the hair color, find the layer labeled Hair Change Color here in the Layers panel. Double-click the color thumbnail next to the layer name. This will open the color picker, where you can select any color you like. Click OK and your hair color updates instantly. For extra customization, you can enable the hair highlight layer. Click the eye icon to unhide it. Then double-click the color thumbnail to choose a lighter or contrasting shade for a two-toned effect. Tip: you can also use my pre-made color swatches. Just unhide the swatches layer and use the color picker tool or type I for shortcut to select a color. And that's it, you now have full control over your chibi hairstyles using Photopea's free tools. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and check out my shop for more chibi assets. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.